that number 9, that's too tough. That's the top level. Nobody beats that. Only me. Nalabot ka ngayon. Are you seeing a road? Okay.
Actually, sit over, Daddy.
Seeing a road?
Oh, he missed, Daddy. Let's go.
Where's my phone again? Who took my phone again?
Babe, doon ko sa kapilang ulo.
Doka lang. Hindi ko sa ulo. Ano, bukas pala yung bintana mo, ganyan ka lang ganyan. Oo.
Ako nga yung tip ko.
Sige, I told you, you cannot read it. So, hindi ka read it.
Now, I can't touch the game.